The Smart Sketcher 2.0 projector is an innovative toy that teaches you how to draw and write step by step. This video will show you how to set up your Smart Sketcher 2.0, how it works, connecting with the app, and basic usage. The Smart Sketcher 2.0 projector will arrive in a brown box. If you purchased extra creativity packs, you will find these inside the package on top of the projector box. Now let's go over the contents of the box. Inside the box, there is the Smart Sketcher 2.0 projector device, a USB cord, the included preloaded activity cartridge, already inserted into the projector, and the user manual. To set up your Smart Sketcher 2.0 projector, gently pull out the blue legs at the base of the projector. This stabilizes the projector and also works to hold the paper. The Smart Sketcher projector can be powered by either a power plug or batteries. Whenever possible, we recommend using a power plug because it delivers constant, stable power and lets you to operate the projector in full brightness. Do not connect a power plug that provides more than 6 volts, as this will damage the projector. Also, do not connect the USB cord directly to a computer or laptop, as this may damage the computer or laptop. The projector arrives with a USB cord. You need to provide a compatible USB power plug. The USB power plug should provide an output of 5 to 6 volts and at least 1.2 amps or 1,200 milliamps. Most of the mobile device chargers that you probably already have should be compatible. Separate the blue projector head from the white base unit. Now attach the blue projector head into the top of the white base. Make sure the blue projector head is firmly connected into the white base. Connect one end of the USB cord to the USB power adapter and the other end to the back of the Smart Sketcher projector. Now you're ready to turn on the projector using the switch on the back. When it's on, a green light appears near the power switch. Now let's review the buttons to show you how the device works. As you can see, all of the buttons of the device are on the projector head. The circle button takes you to the previous activity. The orange button is your home button, which takes you back to the first activity on the activity card. The pentagon-shaped button takes you to the next activity. Once you select an activity, you use the right arrow button to go forward a step and the left arrow button to take you back a step. The star-shaped button repeats the last step. Pressing and holding the circle button for 2 seconds will toggle between full brightness and reduced brightness. Now that we have set up the device and gone over how the buttons work, let's go ahead and do an activity from the preloaded activity cartridge that came with your device. To change the activity cartridge in the projector, gently remove the cartridge from the projector's ear. Store it in the cartridge's compartment in the projector base. Insert a new cartridge with the image facing outward. Make sure it fits securely into the projector. The Smart Sketcher projector can also be operated by 4 D-type batteries. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to open the battery cover and take out the battery compartment. Insert the 4 batteries according to the indicated polarity and put the compartment back inside the base. Reattach the cover. To get the most out of your Smart Sketcher 2.0, download the free Smart Sketcher Projector app on your mobile device or tablet. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your mobile device. Note, there is no need to pair your mobile device to the Smart Sketcher 2.0 projector from the Device Bluetooth Settings menu. Launch the Smart Sketcher 2.0 Projector app and click the I have a Smart Sketcher button on the welcome screen. Review the assembly instructions or click the skip button. The app will search for a nearby Smart Sketcher 2.0 projector. If a projector is found, it will automatically connect to it. For the first time usage of the app, you will need to create a Flycatcher account. Please enter a valid email address and choose a password for your account. In the next screen, create a kid profile to complete the account registration. The app will detect the cartridge that is inserted into the Smart Sketcher 2.0 projector ear and will automatically download the cartridge content to your mobile device. This step occurs only once. As soon as the cartridge content is downloaded, you will see a grid view of all the available drawings. You are now ready to control the projector using the app. Now that your app is connected to the device, you can either draw an activity from the activity card or use the app to take a photo, which will then be projected from your device. Let's take a photo and see how it works. On the app, press the camera icon to open the camera preview. You may need to allow permission for the app to take a photo. This is asked only once. Select a filter and then snap a photo of whatever you want. Your image will be projected from your device. Now you can trace the lines and create your masterpiece. To trace a photo from your photo gallery, press the camera icon to open the camera preview, and then select the gallery icon on the bottom right side. You may need to enable photo gallery access and to allow permission for the app to access the photo gallery. This is asked only once. Choose a photo from your photo gallery and select your desired filter. Click the green checkmark button to transfer the photo to the projector. When choosing a photo from your photo gallery, use landscape photos for best results. That's all. Play smart.